Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Judges, Committee, and all participants of pemilihan mahasiswa berprestasi Fisheries and Marine Faculty 2020. I am Dian Partawijaya as representative from Aquaculture 2017. Today, I will present you about my scientific paper that is about antibacter bioactivity from brown seaweed Sargassum sp as an alternative breast cancer therapy to support Sustainable Development Goals, the third point.
One of Indonesian challenge to face the third point of Sustainable Development Goals, good health and well-being, is the increasing number of non-communicable disease prevalence, which one of the diseases that lead high morbidity and mortality is breast cancer. The estimation of breast cancer patients in Indonesia is about 26 million people in 2030. Thus, one of the SDGs target is to reduce 1 per 3 premature death caused by non-communicable disease with appropriate treatments. Breast cancer is a non-communicable disease and a major health problem in the world. Based on the data from World Health Organization in 2012, the incidence of breast cancer is reported as 1.67 million cases. The identification of the problem in this paper is, first, what is the potential of extract brown seaweed Sargassum sp as an alternative breast cancer therapy? The second, what is the impact of extracting brown seaweed Sargassum sp as an alternative breast cancer therapy to support Sustainable Development Goals, point 3? And the advantage of this paper is, first, to extend the information of extracting brown seaweed Sargassum sp as an alternative breast cancer therapy to support Sustainable Development Goals, point 3. And the second is as an innovation to lead Indonesia free cancer, ensuring health and well-being. Literature review. Breast cancer arises from cells in the breast that have grown up normally and multiplied to form a lump or tumor. Breast cancer is the most common cause of cancer-related deaths in women and occurs most frequently in post-menopausal women over the age of 50. Surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, endocrine therapy, and targeting therapy are used in the treatment of breast cancer. Indonesia is a country with very large and overflow marine biological resources. Utilization of seaweed has been developed and become a source of revenue for the Indonesian people who live in coastal area with high potential for seaweed. The demand of seaweed in the world increases with the increase in the use of seaweed for various purposes, among others in the fields of industry, food, textile, paper, paint, cosmetic, medical, and pharmaceutical or drugs. After China, Indonesia is the second biggest seaweed producer in the world, contributing to 38% of the global seaweed market. Fucoidan is a sulfate polysaccharide isolate from brown seaweed. Fucoidan is one of materials that most commonly used in medical and pharmaceutical or drugs. Analysis and synthesis. Fucoidan extraction method from Sargassum sp. To getting fucoidan from the Sargassum, extract with 0.03 HCl temperature course of 90 derajat Celsius for 4 hours. Purification extract fucoidan is done by using a chromatograph trading ion, resulting in only 7% fucoidan extract. Nah, this is the chemical structure of fucoidan from seaweed brown or Sargassum sp. Now, we talk about pharmacokinetic fucoidan from Sargassum sp as an alternative breast cancer therapy. Fucoidan from Sargassum sp here will be as pro-apoptosis, anti-polymerase, anti-metasis, and also as anti-agiogenesis. Nah, we saw to you the analysis of impact extrinsic brown seaweed Sargassum sp as an alternative breast cancer therapy to support sustainable development goals. Point 3. This is the mapping for our study to get the best therapy for breast cancer from Sargassum sp. Conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion of this paper is the purpose of this study is to describe the potential of fucoidan from brown seaweed or Sargassum sp as an innovation therapy on breast cancer. Fucoidan as pro-apoptotic agents affect many target cells or multi-targets to induce apoptosis. Fucoidan has a potential for a new treatment of breast cancer because of this potent pro-apoptotic and anti-metastatic properties. And the suggestion for this paper is, however, no research has yet evaluated this in the clinical trial. Hence, further studies are needed to confirm the true potential of fucoidan from brown seaweed as therapy for breast cancer.